Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on measuring your heart rate on the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Make sure that the watch is snugly on your wrist and just above your wrist bone. Tap the side button to wake the screen, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu. Tap Heart Rate. Wait a minute and your watch will start to measure your heart rate. It will fluctuate constantly. You can also see your heart rate by swiping from right to left on the home screen 2 times to get to the heart rate card. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.